Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we are starting the second chapter of our science. The second chapter is cell, tissues and organs. Do you know students, plants, animals including humans are made up of specialized cells, tissues and organs that are organized into a. Now what is cell? Do you know that our body is made up of trillions of tiny living units? These units are called cells. Okay, cell is the smallest unit of our body. Cells are the building blocks of our body. All living things are made of these tiny living units called cells. A cell is a small in size that we cannot look it with our naked eye. Students, you know that cells were discovered after the invention of microscope because we cannot see the cells with the naked eyes. The first cell was discovered and named by Robert Hooke in 1665. He observed a thin small slice of a cork plant under the microscope and noticed that the small box is surrounded by the walls, which he named cells. You know that all the living things are made up of cell. Some organisms like bacteria, amoeba are made up of a single cell, so we that call them unicellular. And most of the animals and plants are made up of many cells, therefore we call them multicellular organisms. Now we study about the structure of the cells. Okay, we know that all the living things are made up of cells. Cell is the basic unit of living things. Here we will learn about the cell, animal cell and plant cell. Now look, this is animal cell and this is plant cell. Now we read about the similarities between the animal cells and plant cells. Many parts of cell are same in the both animals and plant cell, but some are different. The same parts are, they have cell membrane. Look, this is cell membrane. This is in animal cell, this is cell membrane, or in plant cell membrane is also present in plant cell. Now next one is nucleus. Look, nucleus is present in animal cell and this is nucleus which is in plant cell. And other similarities, nuclear is control all the function of the cell. It contains all the information of the cell in the thread-like structures called chromosomes. Next one is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a gel-like structure between the cell membrane and the other spaces or nucleuses. It is all the essential functions of cell are performed in the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is also present in animal cell and plant cell. This is cytoplasm. This is gel-like structure. Look, this is cytoplasm. Next one is cell organelles. These perform different jobs in the cell. There are many types of organelles in the cell. Some are common in both animals and plants. For example, mitochondria, ribosomes. Look here, these are ribosomes. Look, this is ribosomes. These are mitochondria. These are mitochondria. Mitochondria or ribosomes are present both in animal cell and plant cells. Now we find the differences between the animal and plant cells. What are the differences between the animal and plant cells? Cell wall. Cell wall is present only in plant cell. It is not present in animal cell. It is the outer layer of the cell. Cell wall is the outer hard layer of cell. It is hard and dead layer made up of cellulose. Cellulose is the large molecule which cannot digest. It is natural fiber found in plant. Cell wall is not present in animal cell. Next is chloroplast. Chloroplast is special organelle for chloroplast is found in the green part of a plant. This is chloroplast. It contains a green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll uses sunlight, energy and carbon dioxide and water to make food and oxygen. Chloroplast is not present in animal cell. Next difference is vacuole. What is vacuole? Vacuole stores different substances like salt and water. In plants, there is a big vacuole present in the middle. This vacuole increases in size during the growth of the plant. Now we will discuss about the types of plant cells. Okay. There are many types of plant cells. We will discuss only few. First plant cell is root hair cell. This is root hair cell. What is the function of it? It absorbs water and minerals. These cells absorbs water and minerals, and special features are these are long and thin. These have large surface area for absorption. Chloroplast is absent. In these cells, chloroplast is absent because chloroplast is used to make food. Root cells are not make food. Root cells do not make food. Next cell is leaf cell. This is a leaf cells. These cells perform photosynthesis in the plant. And special features of leaf cells are large surface area to trap the solar energy, and they have large number of chloroplasts because they perform photosynthesis. Now we will discuss about the animal cells. Animal cell is flexible because there is no cell wall surrounding it. It needs already prepared food. They cannot make their own food without chloroplast. Small vacuoles are disappeared in the cytoplasm. There are many types of animal cells, but we will discuss about only two. First, red blood cells. What is its function? It carry oxygen to the blood and different parts of bodies. Red blood cells carry oxygen to the blood and different parts of body. And what is its specific features? It has large surface area for oxygen to pass through, and it contains hemoglobin which combine with oxygen. Our next cell is nerve cell. Nerve cells function of nerve cell is to carry message around all the body. And what is the specific features? These are very long and thin. Look, these are very long and thin connections at each end and carry messages in the form of electrical signals. These cells carry messages to all over the body in the form of electrical signals. Now tissue. What is tissue? Tissue is the similar cells performing a specific function is called tissue. Tissue is, what is tissue? Tissue is group of similar cells that perform a specific functions. First we will read about animal tissues, their functions and where they found. First are epithelial tissues. These cover, protect and secretes. These are where they found. These tissues are found in skin, lining of tubes and organs. These cover our body. These tissues cover our body. Next type is connective tissues. These tissues connect, transport and support. Their function is connect, transport and support. These tissues are present in bones, blood, fats, loose connective tissues, etc. Next tissues are muscular tissues. Their function is to move the body parts, and these are present in hearts and muscles. Next tissues are nervous tissues. Nervous tissues carry message around the body. These are present in brain, spinal cord and now students, we will learn about the plant tissues. First type of tissue is epidermal tissues. The function of this tissue is to cover and protect, and these are found in the surface of leaves, stems and root. The second tissues are photosynthetic tissues. Its function is to make food, and these are present in the green leaves. The third one are supporting tissues. These supports and strengthen the plant. These are present in wood of stem and root. Next tissues are vascular tissues. These moves water and food, and these are present in vascular bundles. Now students, आज के लिए इतना ही. बाकी मैं एक्सरसाइज की आपको पिक्चर सेंड कर दूंगी, वो आपने अपनी नोटबुक पे करनी है. अल्लाह हाफिज़.